By default, JSP equivalent servlet does not override JSP equivalent servlet does not override JSP init method and JSP service methods. So to get them in our JSP equivalent servlet, we should use declaration tag. So how to use? Let me use declaration tag here. Modulo. This is my declaration tag, right? Directly I can override the method public void JSP underscore init. This is my declaration JSP lifecycle convenience method. Okay, just I'm not writing anything. System.out.println. Whether it is called or not, just I wish to show nothing else. Okay, so where should I write? I'm in declaration example. Okay, declaration example JSP init method. Right now, and simply let me override one more method. Here in shop init destroy. So where I'm now JSP colon JSP destroy. Okay, fine guys. And this is what JSP init. So don't need to write anything. System.out.println out.println where I'm now here. I'm in JSP service method. Right? Right or wrong? So I'm in JSP service method. So this will be part of JSP equivalent solid. This will be part of JSP equivalent solid. This will show. This message will show on where? On solid console. Sorry, server console. Right? This message will show on server console. This will on browser. Okay. This will show on server console. This will also show on server console. Fine. So let me deploy this whole code. Control C, Control S. Let me go to my JSP current solid. Let me keep everything in comment lines. Okay. I'm keeping everything in a comment lines. Commented. I have pasted same code in my declaration tag. In my same D Apache software Tomcat. This is my old code actually. That will explain in the just 5 to 10 minutes back. And this is just now I written the code. Let me refresh the page. So here I wrote a declaration tag and contains JSP init method. I try to override a lifecycle convenience method. I try to override one more JSP destroy method. And what is the code I wrote in a scriptlet tag that will be part of JSP service method. It's a lifecycle method underscore JSP service method. Save. Let me refresh the page. Oh, let me check what the mistake I made. Oh, Anywhere. Here also println. Here also save. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let me go to my server console. You will see initialize. Right. Okay. First, let me remove. First, let me remove. What is the statement I made here? What is the statement? What is the statement I made here? By default, JSP equivalent solid does not override a jspInit and jspDestroy. Right. So first, let me remove that. Actually, I should delete this file. Should I delete? Delete it. Okay. Delete it. Delete it now. Okay. You may say sir dot class file also there. This is also deleted. Happy? Now let me comment first, and I will write only. I will write only what? Service. Happy? Happy now? This will be part of service method. All comments will be gone off. This will be part of service method, right? Is it clear? Just save this. Just save this JSP file. Refresh. Refresh. Right? Now this is the old one. Let me open the new one. You will see only what? A System.out.println. Huh? How it is coming? Wait. Let me delete and let me restart the server. Okay. Deleted. First, let me close the server. Close. Okay. So this also delete. Deleted. Fine now. So Windows E. Come on. We are getting late. So apply to software foundation. Tomcat. So first do confirm. Is it exist here? Declaration example.java. Declaration example dot underscore JSP dot class. Whether both files are exist? No. Fine. I'm where I'm now. I'm in bin. I'm starting my Tomcat. Is it the same? Yes, same. All are saved. Already saved. Now let me keep both parallelly. My server console and this also. And just refresh. Uh, Actually, I place in a comments. I place both the lines in comments. Right or wrong? Okay. This is in comment part, na? This should not be printed here. My intention is to show this should. Actually, मला दाखवायचं काय तुम्हाला बाय डिफॉल्ट ते ओव्हरराइड करत नाही. मी ओव्हरराइड करून दाखवतो तुम्हाला. मग ते ओव्हरराइड कसं झालं कसं बघणार? How will you see? I will write a message whether it is executed or not. It is executed directly. Okay, I will delete. Control X, Control save. Again, I have to restart the server. Close. Let me check. Control FIU. It is not there. Let me delete it once again. Delete. Deleted. I remove the code. I remove the code too. Do you find anywhere? Init service init and destroy? No. Saved. I don't know whether it is creating local copy or not. Let me confirm. Okay. If it's loading from the cache, I can't tell anything. Let me keep both parallelly. My browser and my server also. Refresh. Okay, now JSP service. Now JSP service. Now I can prove that really it has JSP destroy. This is comment line. Why it is adding? I don't know. Let me check. I already added comments. How about commented? It is commented in a JSP. It is available in Servlet, but its output is not coming to dot class file. Keep in mind. Underscore JSP init. But JSP init is there. Tell me yes or no. Huh? JSP init lifecycle convenience method is not available here. But whereas underscore JSP init is there. Next underscore JSP destroy is there. But only JSP destroy method is there. No. Okay. Now my intention is to provide. Is it there? Control F. Control F. JSP init. But that is what? Underscore JSP init, but not only JSP init. Similarly, JSP destroy. See, JSP DES. Fine now. Underscore JSP destroy is there, but not a JSP destroy. What is my intention is to prove this one. Now, let me add both the methods. Added a. Let me remove comment lines. Removed. Save. Save. Let me refresh. Refresh. Let me open a server. Can you see here? This was existing. This is what? JSP init. This is what? JSP server service. Again, if I call, you will get one more service method. Initialization will be done only one time. Right? Are you getting now? Number of times I refresh, that means number of times request will be generated, and that means number of times underscore JSP service method will be called. Is it clear? Is it proved practically now? Yes or no? Now see the same difference in JSP current Servlet. It is asking me to reload. It is reloading automatically. Now go to example. This is predefined. It's not find methods. So scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Can you see the code? Okay. Without underscore JSP. Without underscore JSP. Init. Without underscore JSP destroy. These are my methods. And this so these two lifecycle convenience method does not provided by, it is not provided by whom? Container, JSP container. But I have overridden those methods in my JSP, and this same methods has been added into JSP current Servlet program and same in .class files. Whereas these are already given by the containers. Empty methods, right? Is it proved practically? Fine, guys. So simply add here println. Control S. Fine. In next class, we shall see one more example, one more question. Question is, we cannot take, please take the attendance and put attendance, all of you. Can we redefine JSP service method? Can we redefine JSP service method in declaration tag? Either standard syntax of a declaration tag or JSP colon declaration, right? Of JSP. Is it possible, guys? Can we define underscore JSP service method in declaration tag? Yes or no? Yes or no?